Get up. It's time to do farm chores. Look at my Christmas tree. It's beautiful. It's like perfection of a tree, you know? I feel like colored lights are trailer park, and so I put white lights, although I grew up in a trailer park. So we're trying to be a little classier. What y'all think? Don't you love it? Oh wait, look, let me show you this. My first ever ticket sale. Oh my God. February 23rd, 2023. My very first ticket sale. This was, I did a small show, 70 people at the Stardome. And this was the very first ticket that I ever sold. I feel like I'm on MTV Crib showing my accolades. Look at my little microphone. This is Find Your Funny Graduate 2022, when I was writing with Eunice Elliott. She taught comedy classes at the Stardome, and she and I were writing together, and this is what she would give her students after they would finish her course of comedy. And so she gave me one when we finished writing my show. So, anyways, okay, I gotta go feed horses so I can go to work. Goodbye. Do I want to wear my Crocs or my Vans? I think my Vans. Oh shit, is that the trash truck? No, bitch! Oh, my titty! Bitch! Good morning, angels. Hi, my little angels. Hi, baby. Do y'all remember in one of my last videos, I showed you my grandbabies? Remember I told you they was going through their ugly stages? Now look, beautiful, stunning, an icon. I don't know that I go that far, but this is my Isa Brown baby. This is my Fluffy baby. Of course, it's a fucking rooster. But you're very sweet. You're very sweet. This is Coco. Come here, Coco. Hey, Coco, calm the fuck down. You're fine, bitch. I said you're fine. Chill. Hey! Oh, y'all are finna get y'all's asses put in the fire. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. This is Coco. She's a... You smell like shit. Nasty bitch. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hell, I hear them damn pigs. Come on, everybody. Come on, hey, sister. Hey, Ruru. Hey, Dolly Parton. Come on, Brittany. Brittany. I don't have the time today. My God, at the damn eggs. Don't start with me. You need to come on. Oh, Jesus. Go. Christ on a crack. You ain't getting back on it. You ain't getting back on it. No. No. You ain't having no babies. Bitch, I'll beat your fucking ass. I'm tired of this shit. Leave her alone. Bitch. You thirsty? You nasty bitch. Did you see her shit? I guarantee you some of them eggs are gonna be fucking developing from where she was sitting on them. Don't look at my nasty barn. Sister, go ahead, get in there. Do you see her? She really thinks she owns this place. Y'all act like y'all ain't never ate a day in your damn life. There you go, don't say I never did nothing for you. Sit. Sit. Thank you. You're very smart. Boop. There you go. Here, Winnie. Winston. There you go. Enjoy. Don't say shit about my tarp. It fell off the hay, and it's an act of Congress to put it back up there, so. Hello, Billy. Stinking ass. Oh. Have horses, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Here, Mama. Here, doll. Why are you limping? Jesus Christ. This is the part of having horses that's a pain in my ass. Out here running around acting like you're okay. You're okay. I know. Your leg's hurting, huh? Take the wheel. I can't take this shit. It's always something. I have to take your ass to the vet, aren't I? Could you imagine having to get up every day and do all this shit? I couldn't imagine people that just get to wake up and like have coffee and get dressed and go to work. Like, what kind of life is that? Good morning. Maggie, quit, I'll beat your ass. Wow, you're so handsome. You hungry? Hold on. Ugh. There you go. Why you got diarrhea? Oh, Jesus. I can't take this shit today. Prepare to be amazed. Look at that beauty. Hello, Wookie. I'm coming. Also, if you like my Forever Fluffy robe, you can get your own at mattmatthews.com. Shameless plug. Hello, beautiful lady. Y'all gonna quit pushing all this damn hay over here. Wasteful asses. There, eat your little supplements. You're so bad. Yes, you are. Damn, I'm starting to sweat. It's hotter than a jalapeno's vagina out here. Hi, Dewey, 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 Dewey. You're so naughty. Lift your belly up. You're so... Keep me out, bitch. I'm motherfucking ass. Why are you so mean? Why are you so mean? See, I'm not mean. I'm just bad. I'm just bad. Your breath stinks. Your breath stinks. I love you. You're naughty. Yes, you are. Ready? Y'all ever seen 101 Dalmatians? When he gets behind and goes, aim, fire! Let me clean your eye boogers. Come here. Stop playing. Okay, well then have your shit be fucked up then. I'm hungry. Let me take your jacket off. Beautiful. You're beautiful. Oh, hey, stop. Stop. Get off of it, bitch. Go. Oh, Jesus. This shit fell off and I gotta cover up this hay, or I'm gonna have thousands of dollars of hay that's wet. And I don't know how I'm supposed to do this by myself. Go in there, bitch. Stay. How the hell am I gonna get my big ass up here? Oh, Jesus. Oh, Father, Jesus. Ah! This is the most ghetto shit I have ever seen in my life. Ah! Lord have mercy, Jesus. Lord have mercy, my morte. My morte. Oh! Ah! Oh, Jesus. Please, Jesus, be with me. Please, Jesus, be with me. Lord, have mercy. Have mercy, Jesus. Have mercy. Have mercy, Lord, have mercy. I'm gonna tell you one thing. My husband will be giving his own self blowjobs from now on. Oh, Jesus! How did this even happen? What in the fuck? I hate it here. When this thing get to thingin'.